Number 6, it's very important for you to work with your child about the things that he or she is less comfortable. You know, when you see someone that is excelling about doing something, you want to give it more. Okay, okay, you love that, and I'm going, to train that muscle. I'm going to train that muscle so you can be even greater at it. And the thing that is not that good, we're going to, oh, he's not good at it. Oh, forget about it. No, we need to think about, okay, you're not good about it, so that means that we need to train you. Okay, we need to expose you more about it so you can know it more, and then you can be better at it. So for example, if you see your child is not good at math, give him more math. If your child is not good, at reading, read more. If your child is not good at comprehension, give, like predictions, and also all type of stories about what do you think, what happened here and then. So then your child will be able to know. If your child is not, good, physically, it's, stumble a lot or things like that. So you need to, okay, let's practice. Let's go outside. Let's ride our bike. Let's do activities like basketball, swimming. Let's move your body. And you're going to see that your child won't like it at first, but then the child will enjoy it, because the more you do something, the more you enjoy it, or at least you understand it. Then if you see that your child rather to have other experiences, it's okay. If the child doesn't want to do swimming but wants to do basketball, it's still physical, so you're good with it. But don't say that, oh, my child is just he just wants to read. But the physical, you see, it's important as well.